Guys, I'm here putting my my snow tires on. Got my General Altimax Arctic 12s. I got them lightly bolted on there. Got them up on the stands. I am very happy to announce that they clear the Brembos as advertised and promised, but it's always good to actually have them on and see the clearance. And there's no rubbing of any kind, and the wheel well concerns are no longer concerns. Everything looks and fits as I had hoped. Now, when I was getting ready to jack up the car and put the jack stands underneath, the one concern that I did have was damaging the rocker panels with the jack. I ended up using the rubber lift points, but you have to be very careful of where you place the jack so it's not underneath the rocker panel. Alright, so let's go check out the wheels. So as you can see, they're currently installed, fit good. Put about 20 or 30 miles on the set so far. There's no rubber, or there's no rubbing while turning, and everything's going good so far. I didn't put tire pressure monitoring systems in there, so naturally I do get the light and the warning upon startup, but again, I'm not overly concerned with those errors. It's not too annoying to me, but overall I think the wheels look good. For $150 a pop, sure beats steel wheels, and the gunmetal I think looks really good with the red. So thanks for checking out the video, guys, and if you guys have any questions about the wheels or tires, let me know. Again, I got the General Altimax Arctic 12 tires and the on Vox wheels. Thanks, guys.